Hi everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey Carr.
Hey Mel.
Hey, speaking of places to be.
And cool places to be.
Places to be.
We are visiting friends
at
Midnight Science Club.
Woo.
Woohoo!
Alrighty,
So,
what do we got here?
We got a lot going on today. This is a really, really cool setup.
Yeah.
So we've got a piece of foam core back here and some aluminum foil.
Alright.
And some just pretty much wooden sticks to make a frame, and then some plexi on top.
Okay.
And
what's inside?
What's inside are little tiny pieces of styrofoam balls. And these bigger ones are little styrofoam balls that have been wrapped in foil. And I think you're already figuring out what we're gonna do today. Static.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we've got some felt, you've got the socks, I've got some animal fur here, and what I'm gonna have you do is just use that sock and kind of just run it along the top of the plexiglass, but just go in one direction.
One direction.
Yeah, there you go. And you can see everything reacting. And even just with you, well, you have more static than I do.
I have,
but
I'm
as you're touching it, you can see that you're you know, creating movement. Yep.
I notice as I'm touching this.
Yep. So all that static is causing everything that's in this box to move around. So I've also got a piece of PVC pipe here.
Okay.
The edges have been rounded a little bit just so that the static works a little better so that we can see.
But it still works even if it's not, right?
Yeah, if you just were to cut it straight and you'd have like this sharp edge right here on the PVC, it would still work.
Okay.
You might not get as big of an effect. Yeah. But you're still gonna see some movement in our little static box here. So I'm gonna use the animal fur, and again I'm just going in one direction. And I don't know if the camera can or the mic can hear it.
I hear it.
But you can hear that static charge building up, and then if I move it around,
look at that!
you see all.
It's like it's dancing.
Yep, the little styrofoam balls dance to the rhythm of the static, I guess.
You want to try doing that static if we can hear it again?
Yeah, let's see if we can hear that static.
I hear it. Yes, it's crackling.
Sounds like a really faint crackle.
Yes.
But
that is super
cool.
That is super cool.
I think it's cool. It's almost like a little magic trick.
Yes.
Like wave your
magic trick,
PVC
but not really magic, right?
It's science.
All right.
Magic presented by science.
Yes.
Anyway, guys, if you like this little activity as much as we did, please make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.
Bye.